Welcome to my channel. Learn with Shivang. A simple question to all of you. Have you ever wondered why the angle at which you throw a ball determines how far it goes? We will talk about angle types in this video. Before that, do you know what is angle? An angle is formed when two lines meet at a point known as the vertex. There are different angle types present, like acute angles, obtuse angles, right angles, straight angles, reflex angles, full rotation. We will talk about few of the angle types and real-life example for it. So stay tuned and pause the video and make notes if required. What type of angle it is? We will see in this video what are the different types of angles and its usage in real life. A real-life example of a basketball court and kids' play area. What type of angle it represent? Think on it. Let's understand what is angle. Angles are formed when two rays meet at a common endpoint, vertex. Angles differ from each other based on their measurements. A right angle is an angle that measures exactly 90 degrees. It forms a perfect L shape. A straight angle is an angle that measures exactly 180 degrees. It forms a straight line. An acute angle is an angle that measures less than 90 degrees. An obtuse angle is an angle that measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Think about the second hand on a clock. When it completes a full circle around the clock face, it forms an angle that measures 360 degrees. So far, we have covered the following types of angles: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, and full revolution. But we are not yet done, there's one more. What type of angle measures more than a straight angle but is less than a full revolution? An angle that measures more than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees is known as a reflex angle. A recap. Now, we're done with the 6 types of angles: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and full revolution. Can you think of the importance of knowing the different types of angles when constructing houses and buildings? Thank you so much for watching video. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel for more educational video.